Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something seriously exciting, the 2026 Polestar 6. If you're into electric performance and stunning design, this one's going to blow your mind. Polestar has been pushing boundaries ever since they broke away from Volvo to carve their own path in the EV world, and the Polestar 6 is a perfect example of that ambition. This electric roadster is not just about looking good, though, under the hood, or rather, under the sleek body, there's some serious engineering magic happening. Let's start with performance. The 2026 Polestar 6 is expected to come with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers up to 884 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power translates to a 0 to 60 time of around 3.2 seconds. Yeah, it's fast, and with a top speed estimated to be around 155 miles per hour. It's not just for cruising boulevards, this thing is track-ready too. But it's not all about speed. The chassis is based on an 800-volt architecture, which means faster charging and better thermal management. We're talking reduced charging times and more efficiency, something Polestar's really prioritizing with this model. That tech alone is what sets it apart from a lot of other EVs in the same league. Design-wise, the Polestar 6 stays true to the precept concept that had everyone buzzing. It's sleek, minimalist, and modern without being too flashy. The retractable hardtop is a standout feature, open-air driving when you want it, coupe-like quietness when you don't. And inside, the cabin is all about sustainability, with eco-conscious materials and a clean, tech-forward layout. Polestar's digital ecosystem is front and center too, with Google integration for maps, voice control, and seamless connectivity. The user interface looks like something straight out of the future, but it's intuitive and driver-focused. This is a car that wants to keep you connected, without overwhelming you. Only 500 units of the Polestar 6 LA Concept Edition are planned to be produced initially, making it not only a stunning performance EV, but also a collector's item. If you're hoping to get your hands on one, you might want to act fast. Reservations are already filling up. So, whether you're here for the insane specs, the head-turning design, or just the future-forward EV innovation, the Polestar 6 is definitely one to watch. It's shaping up to be a serious contender in the high-end electric roadster space, and it's got a style all its own. That's it for today's video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy the Polestar 6, or are you waiting to see what Tesla or Porsche do next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more EV content. Catch you in the next one.